Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Siar Azad and I'm one of the executive members of the Canberra Islamic Center. So today, Saturday, 21st of March 2020, I'm here at the Sabah al Ahmad Masjid and Islamic Education Center, and that's Canberra Islamic Center complex, which consists of Australian National Islamic Library. So we have organized a contractor to come and do steam cleaning of our carpets. So inshallah that will reduce the risk of COVID-19, commonly known as coronavirus. So the cleaners have started their work from upstairs, from where the sisters area is, sisters prayer area. So this is the contractor's van, and there are two of them working here today. They're doing a good job, these cleaners. So once inshallah they finish the sisters area, I'll take them downstairs to do the brothers area and the classrooms, inshallah. And I'll be here today all day to make sure they do their job well and supervise them, inshallah.